So let's talk about some of the settings that you can get for multi-factor authentication. We're back at the Active Directory overview screen, and if I scroll down under Security, I can see there's an MFA settings tab under Security. When I go in there, it's a whole new section of the site. Let's talk about fraud alerts first. I'm going to click Fraud Alert. Now, by default, fraud alerts are turned off. I have it turned on here because I was testing. But basically, if you enable fraud alerts, this allows your users to report it if they do receive a two-step verification request. So if they get that SMS message or that email asking them to enter the number and they didn't initiate that request, then they can click a link or they can call a number and basically say they're getting this for not a reason that they initiated. If you do enable fraud alerts, then you can actually automatically block those users. So somebody's user ID and password has been compromised, and now they're getting the third factor authentication alert. They say it wasn't me, and so you can basically block their account. Okay. Now the blocked accounts go under this block, unblock users list. So a blocked user will no longer receive a multi-factor authentication request. So once they've reported the fraud and you have that turned on, then they're going to go end up into this blocked list, and it's going to take 90 days, 3 whole months for them to go unblocked. So again, it's a support issue where you're going to have to go in here and unblock people and maybe force them to change their passwords, etc. So fraud alerts basically lead to people getting their account shut down, but that's obviously a more secure thing in terms of detecting when people are trying to hack into your accounts.